Have you ever wondered if a luxury car costing over $200,000 crashes at highway speed, does all that money actually make it safer, or is it just paying for leather seats and fancy badges? Today, we're watching some of the world's most brutal luxury car crash tests, so by the end of this video, you'll know which luxury car offers the best protection for your money. Let's begin. At number 15, the Ford Mustang. Back in 2017, the Mustang received only a 2-star Euro NCAP rating, making it one of the weakest performers on today's list. Starting at around $38,000, the Mustang focused more on performance than passenger protection. During crash testing, concerns were raised about occupant protection compared to newer competitors. At number 14, the Ford Mustang Mach-E. Starting at around $43,000, Ford completely changed the story. The Mach-E earned a 5-star Euro NCAP rating, thanks to its strong electric platform, excellent passenger protection, and advanced driver assistance systems. A huge improvement over the traditional Mustang. At number 13, the Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Starting from approximately $48,450, the C-Class proves luxury and safety can come together. It earned the maximum 5-star Euro NCAP rating, scoring around 93% for adult occupant protection. Even during severe frontal impacts, the passenger compartment remained remarkably stable. At number 12, the legendary Mercedes-Benz G-Class. With a starting price of around $148,250, the G-Wagon combines military-inspired toughness with modern crash engineering. It achieved a 5-star Euro NCAP rating, delivering excellent protection for both adults and children, despite its rugged body-on-frame construction. At number 11, the BMW 5 Series. Starting from approximately $61,950, BMW's executive sedan earned a 5-star Euro NCAP rating. Its lightweight yet incredibly strong body structure absorbed crash energy extremely well while keeping the passenger cabin intact. At number 10, the Lexus ES 350. Priced from around $44,410, the Lexus is known for comfort and reliability. However, in the updated IIHS moderate overlap front crash test, it received a marginal rating, showing that even highly respected luxury sedans can struggle under tougher testing standards. At number 9, the Toyota Land Cruiser. Starting at approximately $58,650, Toyota's legendary SUV remains one of the most capable off-road vehicles ever built. But under the updated IIHS crash evaluation, It received a marginal rating in the moderate overlap test, highlighting an area Toyota continues to improve. At number 8, the Hongchi EHS9. Although it's not officially sold in the United States, this flagship Chinese luxury SUV is priced between approximately $75,000 and $95,000. It earned a 5-star Euro NCAP rating, demonstrating impressive occupant protection and strong battery safety during crash testing. At number 7, the Porsche Macan Electric. Starting from around $71,300, Porsche's newest electric SUV received the maximum 5-star Euro NCAP rating. Its reinforced battery structure and rigid passenger compartment help deliver outstanding crash protection from every direction. Number 6, the Porsche Taycan. With a starting price close to $99,800, the Taycan combines sports car performance with exceptional safety. It earned a 5-star Euro NCAP rating, maintaining excellent passenger survival space even after severe frontal and side impacts. At number 5, the Land Rover Defender. Starting at around $49,900, the Defender received a 5-star Euro NCAP rating. Its aluminum-intensive body structure absorbed crash forces extremely well, while protecting passengers in every major impact test. At number 4, the Bentley Bentayga. Starting from an incredible $203,900, this ultra-luxury SUV combines handcrafted comfort with an incredibly strong body structure. The Bentayga features advanced safety systems, multiple airbags, and a reinforced passenger safety cell designed to provide exceptional occupant protection. At number 3, the Tesla Cybertruck. Starting from $79,990, the Cybertruck features one of the most unusual body designs ever built. Following updated production improvements, it earned the prestigious IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus award. Its stainless steel exoskeleton maintained excellent cabin integrity during severe crash testing, making it one of the safest electric trucks on the road. At number 2, the Audi A6. Starting from approximately $64,100, Audi's executive sedan earned IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus recognition with excellent crash performance. Its reinforced passenger compartment and advanced airbag systems provided outstanding protection in multiple impact scenarios. And finally, at number 1, the Mercedes-Benz E-Class. Starting from $62,450, the latest E-Class is one of the safest luxury sedans ever tested. It earned the maximum 5-star Euro NCAP rating, scored approximately 92% for adult occupant protection, and was named Euro NCAP's best-performing car of 2024. Whether it's frontal crashes, side impacts, pole tests, or advanced driver assistance, the Mercedes-Benz E-Class consistently delivers world-class safety performance. Before we end, there's one crash test that changed the entire automotive industry forever. In 1959, the classic Chevrolet Bel Air crashed head-on into a 2009 Chevrolet Malibu during an IIHS demonstration. The Bel Air's passenger compartment completely collapsed, while the modern Malibu protected its occupants with carefully engineered crumple zones and a strong safety cage. That single demonstration proved just how far automotive safety has evolved over the decades. So, Which luxury car impressed you the most? Was it the incredibly strong Tesla Cybertruck, the legendary Mercedes-Benz E-Class, or the ultra-premium Bentley Bentayga? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more luxury car comparisons, crash tests,